Welcome to Paramount Unified.
Getting to know my students, building relationships with them is definitely a strong point in my day.
Being an avid elementary school teacher definitely helps us when we rely on our Wicker strategies.
As an avid classroom, we use our Wicker strategies.
We're doing a lot of writing, inquiry, collaboration, organization, and reading, and that definitely helps our Grizzlies to be college and career ready.
Esto es doble inmersión en el distrito de Paramount.
El beneficio ha sido extraordinario. Yo he visto un avance tan grande en Allison. Inclusive le ayudé en vacaciones con una tarea y me sorprendió, pero súper. Ay, lo más bonito para mí es que me puedo comunicar con mi nieta.
There's always someone walking through the door with a giant smile that always happens to make my day.
We are here at the California Science Center, exploring all the different forms of ecosystems, engineering practices, and even fire safety.
The ELOP program provides opportunities for students to engage in systems and areas that they don't usually have the time to.
I love being here because there's a lot of fun and interesting things that you can explore.
If I didn't have this district, I wouldn't have been able to help start our IncluseFit Pirate Special Olympics program, which has changed the lives of over hundreds of students, teachers, and others in the district.
One of the great joys that I have is that when students are learning, you begin to see the light bulbs go off.
You become a family, you work together.
Here at Tanner, we like to treat the whole child, social, emotionally, and academically, so they can be productive members of our society.
Keppel is a very special place to me. Not only was it my school when I was a young child, but also my own children came to this school, and this community is fabulous. It's just a sense of family.
I grew up in Paramount. I came to this district. It's an honor to be able to pursue my career where I grew up and making a positive difference.
Odyssey created a positive and safe environment for not only myself, but the BSU or the Black Student Union as well. The Black Student Union is a club here, but I say we're more like a community where we're all about inclusivity.
I was in the same position that these students were in, giving them an opportunity to be creative, to design. I didn't get this opportunity till I was in college. So I think it's awesome that we have this program now at the high school level. This is gonna put them one step ahead of the game.
Here at Paramount High School, we have so many programs for every type of student. We have career technical education. We have ASB leadership opportunities. We have link crew. We have awesome sports. And we have awesome teachers that really, really care about students.
What puts a smile on my face is when I see them enjoying what they are learning in class. When they are also proud of themselves, when they are able to go ahead and either take a pulse correctly or take blood pressure. That proudness is what makes me happy.
What puts a smile on my face is seeing the children every single day. They come in with a smile, they come in with genuine and curiosity and especially integrity. Just seeing them work really hard and being independent and giving those love and hugs, that is what I love.
So this is culinary part of CT, and we're baking sugar cookies today. I love teaching here at West because I like working with these students. I associate with them and I build good relationships with them.
What I love about teaching at Roosevelt is the community. The community always finds a way to touch our hearts. Students from the past and the present, they come back and visit. We always have the younger brothers and sisters, and it's just an amazing experience to have these kids go every year through Paramount and graduate and come back and visit us.
One of the reasons I love being a teacher is a passion of mine has always been to help people learn and grow. It being such a small campus, we're able to connect with students on a much more personal level.
What I love about teaching music, it's relationship building with these kids. We have some awesome kids in an awesome school. We get to make music, we get to have fun. Seeing the kids have fun with music, it's just a blessing to come to work each day.
So what I love the most about being a teacher is knowing that we are making an impact on future leaders. And even though we're not here for a long time with them each day, we know that we're creating an everlasting impact that will stay with them.
Here at Paramount Adult School, we focus on the student as a whole, and not just education. Along the way, we discover different paths that they can take. What's the next step for them? So our focus is not just their immediate needs, but also long-term needs.
I love teaching at Hollydale because it's like a family and it's a tight-knit community.
Something I love about teaching special education is being able to help these kids make progress and just seeing them flourish throughout the years. Their smile brightens up my day. If ever I'm feeling down, they have all the energy in the world to keep me happy.
Welcome to Los Cerritos Elementary School, home of the Bulldogs. We are both fifth graders and we both love learning.
My favorite part of teaching is giving an experience for hands-on learning. Having the opportunity to share this skill that is different from anything else that our students are doing here is the best thing about this.
So in the beginning of the year, the students all give their input on how they want to be treated. I know I'm supposed to be the teacher, but I learned so much from them just by being here and being able to teach them.